Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use these couple of tools that I have laid out to make a new drill charging station for my new drills and the old ones that I have too. Behind me to the left here is what I used for the old one. And my original plan was just to have the drills sitting on top of the cabinet, but unfortunately, like with any horizontal space in a workshop, it gets filled up with other stuff and then I can't put them there. So that kind of poor design method, in addition to the fact that I've got a new couple of drills that I want to be able to store, is why I'm making this new video. I have the circular saw here, and you could totally do all of the cuts you need to with the circular saw. However, I've got a table saw, and I don't like spending more time than I need to. So I'm going to end up using that for all the cuts. But I will hopefully have a plan available for all of the stuff that I build here today. I'm just going to be butt jointing everything together and screwing it together. I'm not even going to use glue because on these ones I did use glue, and if I hadn't I would take it apart and reuse the wood for something else, but because I did that I can't, so I'm not going to make that mistake again. So hope you guys like it, and let me know what you think if you have any questions, and yeah, let's get to it. And now that I've got all the pieces cut that I'm going to need, I'm going to do a quick sub-assembly of the portion that's actually going to hold the drills underneath. And then I think that it's going to be easiest to build kind of the carcass around that. So I'm going to make a quick jig. I'll show you how I do that. And then I'll start lining all these up to get them screwed together. Perfect.